Hello friends, in this video we implement a drop-down that will allow you to switch to any languages you want. You can do all this yourself, customize the menu as you like, and I will show you how to do it. I am starting to implement language switching from scratch. This will be a drop-down, and for this I have already prepared the code that I will use. This is exact menu that I will be copying into the config.toml file. Let's copy it. Insert the code and I see what we have here. The first is the default language, followed by a dot and the language you want to describe the menu items. Here you can set the title and description in such a format as I did. Also, don't forget about meta keywords. Next, I copy the code for outputting data in the template, copy the data and paste it into the template. I have this header, copy it, and can see what I got. I have 3 languages and now it all needs to be nicely styled. I also prepared styles for styling. I will copy the styles and paste them into my CSS Styles file. There are not many styles, about 50 lines, and now I will check what I got. In order to see the changes, I have to clear the browser cache. That's how everything looks nice. Now, when I click on N, the link changes. In other languages, everything works as well. I see content in the Hugo because this language is now my default language. We have not reached translation, so content in other languages will not be displayed for now. I will talk about this in the following video. The main thing is that we figure out how to work with switching to other languages. The link and data I used in this video are below the video. You can copy and use it in your project.